It's the result the oil giant was hoping for. After a brief hearing, London's High Court ruled that claims against Shell and its Nigerian subsidiary will not be judged in an English court. The two legal claims were brought on behalf of 40,000 Nigerians from the Bille and Ogale people who live here in the Niger Delta. For decades, this region's been subjected to repeated oil leaks, ruining farmland and polluting fishing grounds. Shell and their Nigerian subsidiary don't deny that communities have been affected by pollution, insisting a cleanup program's underway. But Shell say the legal challenge can only be heard in Nigeria because its subsidiary runs a joint venture with the Nigerian government. And that's something this court has agreed with.
These are claims brought by Nigerians about the activity of the Nigerian company, of which the Nigerian government is a majority holder of interest in that same company. So I think it makes sense that it's managed in Nigeria based on the principles of Nigerian law.
But lawyers for the Niger Delta community say that Royal Dutch Shell, based in London, is shirking its environmental responsibilities. If the case is heard in Nigeria with its history of corruption, they say the result could be manipulated.
If you go to a Nigerian court, nothing happens. You can wait 15, 20 years before an issue like this is dealt with. So they have felt they have no option but to go to what they perceive to be the heart of the problem, which is the decisions that are being made in London and The Hague. That's why these cases are being internationalised. And they're going to keep on being internationalised until Shell cleans up its oil.
This isn't the first time that Shell has faced legal action for pollution in the Niger Delta. In January 2015, it paid out $83 million to another community, the Bodo tribe, after two massive oil spills, giving hope to others in the region that it might be possible to take on an oil giant and win compensation. The Niger Delta claimants say they will appeal the court's decision by the end of the year. They're confident, even with this setback, that the case will eventually be heard in an English court. And if that happens, it could set a precedent for others. Neave, Al Jazeera, London.